Hey traders, hope you're all doing well. I normally make this type of videos over the weekend, which is my educational content where I show you how to enter the trades and some trading psychology. But I decided to record a short video today as well because as the channel is growing and there are some traders who are really panicked and who just want me to send them signals. And if you follow me from last couple of months, years, you know my style of trading. I always enter my trades when I see a condition. Doesn't matter what happens, if I see a condition, if it's a valid pattern, I enter the trade. Just by saying if the price is trading above 50 EMA or trading below 50 EMA, I'd never start buying or selling. So got some messages from traders that yesterday you said the price is above 50 EMA, but it came back down to 50 EMA. Then you said the price is below 50 EMA, we look for sell condition, then it pushed back a 50 EMA. Now, my answer is, the rule is very simple. When a price is trading above 50 EMA, I look for my buying condition. If I have a buy condition, I enter my trade. Otherwise, I leave it. Price is trading below 50 EMA, I wait for my sell condition. If there is sell condition, I enter my trade. Otherwise, I leave it. If there is no conditions, it is my hard-earned money. I'm not here to gamble. I need to have that edge over the market, which is my tested strategy. And once I see that condition, I enter my trade. And this is how I teach my members. And this is what I'm going to show you very quickly, that the trades I've sent in the priority group once I have a conditions. If there is no condition, I waited. It hit my stop losses, it hit my take profit, but overall I always come out as profitable traders. So I want to quickly go through some trades we took with condition so that you understand the importance of entering the trade with condition, not just by seeing the prices above 50 EMA you start buying, below 50 EMA you start selling. Now, a trade alert I've sent to my members and took this trade recently right here. Right here, as you can see, I have sent these trade alerts to my members, and not only to them, I have already informed on my YouTube videos that we have a valid entry condition and we'll see how it goes. And I've informed them before the take profit was hit and when the price was already here. Let me show you that as well. Right here, this is my video that was recorded on 31st of May and is still available on my YouTube channel. Retracement, like I mentioned, that 1.618 retracement can act as a support or resistance if at top. So from here we got a nice pullback here and on currency.com exactly for 1.618 retracement. Now what to expect from here, and as you can see we have this swing high bearish engulfing pattern. That is my sell signal. The way you can enter this type of trades is right at the close of this candle, and the ATR of this candle is 4.6. Targets can be 4.6, something like this, or what you can do, you can keep your take profit to above the wick. So that is what I have already informed, because I have a condition right at this candle and there is no hesitation for me to enter this trade. Now right here, when this head and shoulder pattern was formed on 24th of May, I have already informed traders that if we have a bearish engulfer in this area of value, we will enter the trade. And that happened on currency.com. Right here we had a bearish engulfer, and let me show you that what I've said. Fully engulfs the previous candle. In that case we have a sell signal, and if you are an aggressive trader, that bearish engulfer will be your sell signal. Stop loss will be above this termination zone, take profit somewhere around this termination zone right here. What an exact move we got here out of head and shoulder pattern. And as you can see, right, so another good condition to enter my trade. Now once we had this take profit hit from this bearish engulfer, in the same video I've clearly mentioned that the entry number 2 will be the break of neckline, and once we have a break, we have an entry. Stop loss will be here, take profit wherever you want to take it, and that was one of the entry condition right at this break. And as you can see, the price massively pushed down from here as well. There is no ifs and there is no buts. If there is conditions, we are entering the trade. Let me show you 0.429. Once the price break and close below, this entry is for less aggressive trader. This is an aggressive entry right here at the top right shoulder. The less aggressive is right at the break of termination zone. So once this candle break and close below this termination zone, then we have an entry, stop loss above, take profit wherever you want to take it. So that is what I'm looking at. If you have a break, the price will likely fall further to the next level of support. Exact move which I have mentioned, which I have predicted, doesn't mean that I have a magic wand, but this is how I've tested, and this is what I have been trading from years and teaching my students, members, and here on my YouTube channel. Now I can show you tons of trade we took in the priority group and I took personally, but we are not in the trade all the time. only once we have a conditions like this, objective rules, we are good to go long, good to go short. Conditions like this, we're good to go short. Everything is recorded on my YouTube channel, and feel free to watch it, as these are the signals I have given before the pattern was even happened and price has pushed down. Nice. Now the reason I'm showing you this, because I want you guys to learn that trading is not for fun. It is your hard-earned money, and you want to make money out of trading, not just be in the stress just to be in the trade all the time. Now I will not enter my trades unless and until I see a condition. 2 winning trades in a row. That doesn't mean that we always have a winning trades. Right here, this was a trade alert I've sent to the members, which was one of the pullback entry, and that was my stop loss hit. Right here, a trade alert sent to the members, and that was a stop loss hit. Right here, this was a trade I've mentioned in my video. Feel free to check on 24th of March, and then I can show you tons of trades. A winning trade right here we took. It happens, break of this zone, pullback, bearish engulfer, double top, price falls. Now right here, a winner with this pin bar, price pushed up, and if you want to see all my trades, the trade alerts I've sent to the members, the video link is in the description with the title My Net Gas Trade Results. So a winner trade here. Now right here we had a winner, price is nicely trading below 50 EMA, only selling at this point. Right here, now the price is trading below 50 EMA. Why do I buy here? Because this is my counter trading zone from where I'm expecting some bounce, and that bounce is enough to hit the target, and as you can see, that hit the target and price has gone to push down and continue with the trend, but that is enough to take profit. That is why I always say to keep your stop loss and take profit both. Right here we took this trade with a double top pattern, price nicely fall. Right here we took this trade with this bearish engulfer. I don't want to show you all the trade, otherwise you're going to make this video really long, but everything is recorded. If you want to check the video, it is in the description. Right here, winner, a winning trade right here. I can show you lots of trades we took, winning and losing, but overall we had some nice results. So I don't only trade net gas, I am a forex trader. I mainly trade forex as well. Now I've sent this trade alerts to my member, which is USD CHF right here, a valid condition, and price has pushed up, hit my stop loss. Now that doesn't mean that I will not enter this type of trade again. Then I got a similar pattern right here, a trade alert I've sent yesterday to my member, that is for bullish condition, which is opposite of bearish. I've shown the previous example. Bullish engulfer right here, price has massively pushed up. Now this was a moment of panic where I've started getting back messages from traders that if the price is going to hit your stop loss, and I always say once I enter the trade, I always wait till it will hit my take profit or a stop loss. So a winning trade right here. In trading we have losses and profit, but goal is to having an edge over the market and a good winning ratio so that you come out as a profitable trader in a long term, not getting rich just in few weeks or a month. Right, so after this long lecture, let's start our analysis with natural gas, gold, silver and crude oil. And I hope you got a value out of the first part of the video, and you can able to understand the concept of trading is just with having an edge over the market. It's not a signal group where you get tons of signal. My priority group is not a signal group as well. It is purely to learn, and if you follow me, then I promise you will get tons of knowledge here, and I try to give you as much as knowledge as possible through my YouTube videos. So starting with natural gas, what do we have right here? As you can see, price has now broken above 50 EMA again. At this point, as mentioned in my last video, in my yesterday's video, that we'll be only selling once the price hit the zone above, which is right up there, and zone is 2.341, that goes up to 2.426, from where we will enter sell trades with bearish engulfers of a double top or inverted hammers or a pin bar. For now, price has just made a new high, so for now I'm just waiting for a pullback followed by a bullish engulfing pattern, a condition for my buy trades. Once I have that, I will go long. If I have no condition, I'll still wait till the price reach the zone above to enter my counter trades with one of the entry condition I've just mentioned. So for now, just look for buy conditions with a pullback followed by bullish engulfer. If the price pulls back to 50 EMA, no need to get panic. I'm expecting a good entry condition here as well. So for now, just looking for a pullback followed by bullish engulfer, and will go long till the price hit the zone above I've just mentioned. Right here, the price is pushing up nicely, broke above 50 EMA. Now all I want to see a pullback followed by bullish engulfer, and keep on going long until the price hit the zone above, right above, which is 2.478, goes up to 2.554, from where we will enter our counter sell trades with the condition I've just mentioned. So not selling anymore, sell conditions only below 50 EMA, buy condition above 50 EMA. Once I have a condition, I will not hesitate to enter my buy trades or break below 50 EMA, I will not hesitate to enter my sell trade. So keep an eye here. It's likely to push up and hit the zone above, which is a good zone to enter your sell trades. Let's check gold. So looks like the gold has now pushed down, but still in between this range, just pushing up and down, and all I want to see a break below. If we have a break below, the price will turn completely bearish and we will enter buy trades from 1872.02 goes up to 1895.46, from where we will enter counter buy trade with engulfers, bullish engulfers, double bottoms or pin bars or 382 candles. Once we have a break below this range, I will only look for my sell trade, and I use this zone above for my trend continuation zone, which is 1945, and I will enter my sell trade with the retest bearish engulfer, and I will only take my sell trade. Now if you have a dramatic push up, in that case we will enter buy trades from the zone above 1999.39 goes up to 2008.62, from where we will enter sell trades only. So break above, we'll look for buy condition, break below, sell only. So keep an eye for conditions. Right, silver is now pushing down nicely from the zone I've mentioned in my last video. I have now broken below 50 EMA as well, and now I'm expecting a pullback, retest of 50 EMA, bearish engulfer, and I'm only take short trade. Now we might get a possible formation of head and shoulder pattern as well. So keep an eye here. If we have a pullback to this area, reject it from here, bearish engulfer, we will only go short. So that is what I'm looking at for conditions only. Once I have a condition, I will not hesitate to enter my trades. Next one for buying silver is 22.37, that goes down to 21.98, from where I will enter my counter buy trade with one of the entry condition I've just explained. Last one, we have crude oil, as pushed up nicely from the zone I've mentioned in my last video, and now pushing up, and now price has broken above 20 EMA. It is very likely that price will hit 50 EMA and then give you sell signal, something like this. As now price has made a new low with a pullback, if we have a sell signal, we have a very likely chance that crude oil can break below this zone as well. So that is what I'm looking at, looking for sell signal from 50 EMA. For now it is bullish till 50 EMA. If broke above 50 EMA, it will continue to push up in a trend until it hit the zone above right up there, which I've mentioned in my last video. Hope you got a value out of this video and hope you trade green rest of the week. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.